Hey everyone, it's Megan with the Crafty Planner Lover here, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. In today's video, we are going to be planning for the week of July 22nd through the 27th, with an asterisk on that, using this beautiful summer florals kit collection by Growing Modestly. Like I said, there's an asterisk on the 22nd through the 27th. I might try and add the rest of July in this spread, or in this plan with me. I might try and extend the kit so that it can be used for the rest of July, because there's only like 4 days left after the 27th, so I thought might as well be able to, you know, stretch the kit out and see if I can use all of the pages, but we will see. So like I said, this is the kit by Growing Modestly. I absolutely love it. It's part of her new release for the summertime, and I shared an entire haul on that if you guys would like to check it out. I really love this kit, and it is so pretty. If you guys are wanting to pick up some stuff from Growing Modestly, don't forget to use my code MEGAN20. It will save you 20% off of your order. And don't forget that that is an affiliate code. It does not cost you anything to use, but it will help me out a lot, and I would appreciate it if you'd use my code. Okay, so without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into this week / maybe this month. So as you can see, I am kind of just playing around with the washi and figuring out where each thing needs to go. I will add all of the florals later in the spread so you guys can get an idea of what I do to decorate that. But right now I'm just covering up the days of the week that come on the actual daily pages. And of course, y'all know I don't like that writing at the bottom, so I'm going to cover that up as well. So I'm just playing around with the washi, cutting some of the big thicker strips in half so that I can use them on multiple pages. Like I said, I'm going to try and do it for every single day all the way through the end of July, but we'll see. I think I'm able to do it, but I wanted to make sure I had enough. So I'm only doing the first, you know, all the way through the 27th first, and then I'll go back and add more. How are you guys enjoying the summer? Are you liking the heat and the sun, or are you trying to stay away from the heat as much as possible and staying inside? Because let me tell you, that is exactly how I am doing with the heat. I am trying to avoid it as much as possible. Unfortunately, with my job, I literally can't avoid the sun. I work outside in the boiling hot heat for 8+ hours a day, so I have to try and find ways to avoid the heat as much as possible while I'm at work. But when I'm not working, I stay inside. I do not want to go outside. I don't want to see anybody. I don't want to see the sun. I don't want to deal with the heat. So that is how I am doing as far as, you know, the summer. I am ready for cooler temperatures. The only thing that I look forward to during the summertime is our afternoon thunderstorms, which at the time of me filming this, y'all, we have a major thunderstorm coming through. Like, the rain is hitting the windows. Honestly, I'd be surprised if you can't hear it, but I know every time I have that, I say you can't hear it and you can, or you can hear it and you can't. So we'll find out if you can actually hear the rain when I am editing this. But anyways, I really look forward to our afternoon thunderstorms because they are very relaxing. They give you a nice break halfway through my shift because I work in the mornings. So when it starts raining about 3 o'clock, that's almost time for my shift to end. I have like 3.5 hours left after that, so it's a nice break in between. And when I'm not working and it's raining, oh my gosh, it's so relaxing. I literally spent the last, I would say maybe 2 hours before this, because it was raining for that long, reading. I was reading Iron Flame, actually, which, you guys, oh, it's so good. Anyway, back to the summer theme. Do you guys like florals? Are you a floral fan? Oh my gosh, have you guys gotten anything from Growing Modestly's new release for the summer? Oh my gosh, I love it. I honestly, if I wasn't getting them because I'm part of her affiliate team, I definitely would have gotten them anyway, because this release, she just like knocked it out of the park. I can't stop talking about like the florals and the ocean florals. I have a whole release sharing on my channel if you guys wanted to see that, but like I'm literally so obsessed with everything in this. At least I think they're so pretty, and I'm definitely using them very soon, so you guys have to keep an eye out for that. I know I'm talking a lot about the release, but like it's such a good release. Like any of Growing Modestly's releases are amazing. So now I'm adding all of the florals to the spread, just add a little bit of deco to it. I'm trying to make sure I don't have the same kind of colors in the spread as the rest. So, you know, I'm trying to balance out between the floral bouquets, like the clusters of florals, and the individual florals. Y'all know how I am with my floral spreads. I have to have the leaves and the flowers together because I'm just weird. So I'm trying to figure that out and just kind of situate everything. Like I said, I'm really just playing around with how it looks on here. And then one of the last things I'm going to do on this spread, or these sets of pages, is I'm going to add the titles to the page. And I know that might seem weird, but I want to use everything in the kit as much as possible. And Emily took the time to make sure that her, you know, cutting machine cut out the title for you. And I want to use the title because she obviously has it cut out for a reason. And I was like, you know what? I'm never going to use this title anywhere else. Might as well just put it in here. And I think it looked really cute. I'm really obsessed with adding the little summer floral to each set of pages. So I tried to like balance it out and do like one page summer florals and one page not, and then go to the next page and one page summer florals and one page not. So I think it looks really cute. I was really happy with how it turned out, and I love the bright colors. All of the colors in this kit really remind me of summertime and pool time, and I love it. It's so cute. That is everything in this set of pages. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope that it provided you with some inspiration, or maybe it was just relaxing for you to watch while you plan. I do really like watching planning videos while I plan. I like to pay attention to them, but like at the same time I like to watch them and like have them on in the background, but you know, watch them at the same time. Does that make sense? But I hope that this was inspirational to you, and I hope that it got you some ideas on how to just use washi and a little bit of deco, because that's basically what this is. It's just washi sticker strips with a little deco, and I think it's so cute and so fun, and I really love how it turned out. If you guys like this video and you want to see more from me, please don't forget to hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and if you are subscribed, go ahead and hit that notification bell. It's right beside my channel name so that you are notified when I post a new video. I really hope that you guys are liking these videos that I am sharing with you. I hope that you are getting inspired, and if you have any videos that you want me to do, just let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your thoughts and ideas on what you'd like to see from my channel. Please don't forget to check out Growing Modestly. I will leave all of her information down in the description box below with all of the different links that she has, her social medias and stuff, as well as my affiliate code. You do not have to use it, but I would really appreciate it if you do. It does not cost you anything to use, and it would be a huge help to me because it means I can share more content with you guys and fun things. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. I really hope you enjoyed my video, and until next time, craft on. Bye guys!